What's up everybody, it's your boy Premier Virtual here. And listen, are you tired of creating content that gets likes but no income? Are you putting in hours, filming, editing and posting, only to see little to no financial return? Yeah, I feel you. We've all been there. But what if I told you that you could turn your creativity into a full-time income without selling out or burning out? Because the biggest creators out there, they don't just go viral, they get paid. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. Look, we all know the grind is real out here. You spend hours crafting the perfect video, writing the wittiest captions, trying to crack the algorithm. And for what? A couple of likes and maybe a shout out from your mom? It's time to flip the script. You deserve to get paid for your passion. You deserve to turn those late nights and creative sparks into cold, hard cash. And the good news is, it's totally possible. Stick with me, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on how to level up your creator game and start seeing those dollar signs roll in. Okay, let's get real for a second. Most creators struggle financially because they're stuck in a like-chasing hamster wheel. They think more views equal more money, but that's not always the case. I used to think the same thing. When I first started on YouTube, I was all about those AdSense pennies and hoping for a brand deal miracle. But then I realized something huge. That's just the tip of the iceberg. Take a look at guys like Iman Gaji. He didn't just create content, he built an empire. He monetized his expertise, turned his audience into a loyal community, and basically turned social media into his own personal ATM. And guess what? You can do the same. You've got the talent, you've got the drive, and now you're gonna have the game plan. Chapter 3, the Creator Income Framework. Alright, let's break down this money-making blueprint. I'm calling it the Creator Income Framework, and it's all about building a sustainable business around your passion. Step 1, build authority and trust. Listen, people don't buy from strangers, they buy from people they know, like, and trust. Think about it. Why do you follow certain creators? Because they provide value, they entertain you, they inspire you. They're not just posting random stuff, they're building a brand. So, instead of chasing likes, focus on becoming the go-to expert in your niche. Be consistent, be authentic, and give your audience a reason to hit that follow button. For example, let's say you're into fitness. Don't just post workout selfies, share transformation tips, client testimonials, myth-busting content, and really establish yourself as the authority in your space. Step 2, diversify your income streams. AdSense and brand deals are cool and all, but real financial freedom comes from having multiple streams of income. It's like having a financial safety net, so even if one stream slows down, you've got others to keep that cash flow coming. Here are 3 powerful ways to monetize your content. First, selling digital products. Ebooks, guides, courses, templates, these are your golden tickets to passive income. Create once, sell forever. Second, exclusive memberships. Platforms like Patreon, Discord communities, or even YouTube memberships allow you to give your biggest fans exclusive content, perks, and a direct line to you. Third, high-ticket services. If you've got skills, coaching, consulting, agency work, package them up and offer premium services to your audience. Remember Iman Gaji? He didn't just rely on views. He built an agency, sold courses, and created high-value offers that brought in the big bucks. Step 3, automate and scale. You don't want to be chained to your laptop 24/7. The key is to work smarter, not harder. Use email marketing, sales funnels, and automation tools to streamline your business and sell your products or services on autopilot. Imagine waking up to $500 plus in digital product sales while you sleep. That's the power of automation, my friends. Chapter 4, the mindset shift. Now let's talk about the most important ingredient, your mindset. Success as a creator isn't just about the money, it's about freedom. It's about building a life you love on your own terms. The goal isn't to become a slave to the algorithm, but to create a business that supports your lifestyle, fuels your passion, and allows you to live life on your own terms. So stop thinking like a content creator, and start thinking like a CEO. Think big picture, think long term, and always be willing to adapt and evolve. The creator economy is constantly changing, and the ones who thrive are the ones who are willing to change with it. Chapter 5. Your time to shine. You've got the framework, you've got the mindset, now it's time to take action. I'm not going to lie, it's going to take work. There will be late nights, there will be challenges, but I promise you it's all worth it. Because when you're finally able to turn your passion into a full-time income, when you're living life on your own terms, when you're waking up every day excited to create, that's when you know you've made it. So go out there, crush it, and prove to the world that creators are the future of business. And hey, before you go, hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I'm rooting for you. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you got a ton of value out of it and feel fired up to start monetizing your content. Remember, the creator economy is booming and there's never been a better time to turn your passion into profit. So go out there, take action, and show the world what you're made of.